How are clinical trials changing colon cancer care? Imagine a world where treatments are no longer one-size-fits-all but are tailored specifically to each person's tumor. That world is becoming a reality thanks to ongoing clinical trials that are reshaping how we approach colon cancer. These trials are helping us discover new ways to treat different types of colon cancer based on genetic and molecular features. They are also testing new drug combinations and improving existing therapies to give patients better chances of survival. One major way clinical trials are making a difference is through the development of targeted therapies. For example, some patients with colon cancer have specific genetic mutations like BRAF V600E or KRAS G12 degrees Celsius. Clinical trials have shown that combining targeted drugs with chemotherapy can significantly improve outcomes for these patients. The Breakwater trial, for instance, proved that a combination of encorafenib, which inhibits BRAF mutations, along with cetuximab and chemotherapy, helps patients with metastatic colon cancer live longer without disease progression. Similarly, a new combination of sotorasib, a KRAS G12 degrees Celsius inhibitor, with panitumumab has shown promising results for patients who no longer respond to standard treatments, leading to FDA approval of this approach. Immunotherapy is also changing the game, especially for patients whose tumors have specific genetic features like deficient DNA mismatch repair or high microsatellite instability. Clinical trials have found that adding immunotherapy drugs like atezolizumab or combining immune checkpoint inhibitors, such as ipilimumab and nivolumab, can improve disease control and survival in these groups. For example, in stage 3 colon cancer with mismatch repair deficiency, adding immunotherapy after surgery has been shown to cut recurrence rates in half. This shift toward immune-based treatments offers hope for more personalized and effective care. Another exciting development is how clinical trials are refining adjuvant therapy, which is treatment given after surgery. For patients with stage 3 colon cancer and mismatch repair deficiency, combining immunotherapy with chemotherapy has been shown to reduce the risk of cancer coming back and improve long-term survival. This means that future treatment protocols are likely to include immunotherapy as a standard part of post-surgical care for certain patients. Researchers are also exploring combination therapies that include new drugs alongside existing treatments. These trials aim to increase the chances of shrinking tumors and possibly avoiding surgery altogether in some cases. For example, ongoing studies supported by the National Cancer Institute are testing whether adding new agents to chemotherapy can make tumors respond better and improve overall outcomes in advanced colon cancer. Finally, the focus on personalized medicine is stronger than ever. By analyzing the genetic makeup of each tumor, doctors can choose treatments that are more likely to work for individual patients. For example, patients with tumors linked to Lynch syndrome or high microsatellite instability often respond well to immune checkpoint inhibitors. This approach ensures that each patient receives the most appropriate therapy based on their tumor's unique features. In summary, clinical trials are truly transforming colon cancer care. They are helping us develop targeted therapies and immunotherapies that are tailored to each patient's genetic profile, improving survival and reducing recurrence. These advances highlight the importance of participating in clinical trials, as they open the door to new treatments and hope for many. Always remember, it's essential to discuss with your healthcare team to understand how these emerging options might fit into your individual treatment plan.